Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm so excited for today's video. We're doing Try Not to Laugh Funny Cats Compilation 2018 and Try Not to Laugh Funny Animals Videos 2018. Yep, guys, make sure to comment down below so you get a shout out. And if you have a YouTube channel, put your YouTube channel in there so you get a shout out on your YouTube channel and just get a shout out in general. So I'm so stoked, so let's get into this. Here you go. Oh my god, dude. It says, hope you're having a great time. Please like, comment, subscribe. First of all, that cat wants some more food and water. First of all, this one right here should be called giving the cat the brother's massage. I should just name that. Oh my god, dude. I have another title. This one should be called, hey bro, back up, you can't eat my food, bro. That's what it should be called. This one should be called Get It Fit. Canada. This one should be called Cat in the Box Falling Off the Table. Okay, guys. I'll be right back. Just gonna fix. Okay, guys, I'm back. Yep. I just had to do it, bro. Anyway, guys, that is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on those notifications so you get notified when I upload like this. Don't forget to comment down below if you have a YouTube channel. Put it when you comment down below so you can get shouted out for the YouTube channel and just in general. So yeah, see you. One last thing I forgot to tell you is, if you comment down below, put your YouTube channel in. Also, put your Roblox username in so I can look you up and friend you. Yep, or you can friend me either way. Yep. And I will even record with you on Roblox. So, yeah.